Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a gift box with handmade products for Mother's Day. This is a wholesale order for a small business and I'm very excited about it. There are going to be 4 products included in the gift box: a whipped sugar scrub, a whipped body butter, as well as bath melts. I designed the labels for it and try to have everything color coordinated so everything comes together beautifully. I'm going to add the labels to the whipped body butter. This is how it looks in the inside, and for those who are channel members of my YouTube channel, they have access to the video showing the entire process for this whipped body butter as well as the recipe. Next are the bath melts, and if you're interested how to make these, you can check the description box where I left the link to the video. It is a great and relatively easy recipe containing cocoa butter for dry skin. You won't need to put cream on your body after bathing with it for sure. So here we have the scrub, the body butter and the melts. The 4th product that I will include in the gift box is the matching soap. This is a cold process soap. And for those who follow my videos here on YouTube, you will remember that I made this soap a couple of weeks ago. It was called a spring flower soap. It's actually a floral type of soap. And by the way, all these products have the same fragrance to it. There are a couple of possibilities on how to package cold process soap. For this specific project, I decided to use shrink wrap. So I will prepare all the soap bars already in a bag. I already cleaned the edges of the soap, and if you're interested to see how to package soap, I do have a separate video going over this specific subject. Once all the soap are packaged, we are going to use a heat gun to shrink wrap the soap bars. I like to keep my heat gun in a bowl so I prevent burning. And then I just place the heat gun to the soap bars and shrink the plastic around it. I'm not sure if she wants to have the label in the middle of the soap or more to the side, so I'm going to wait until she shows up and see. It was very important to her that the soap design would be visible. That's why this label here is smaller than the rest. So here we have these 4 products. They look very nice together, I think, and the colors really match. So now let's go ahead and see how we can package these. I have these foldable gift boxes that come from Amazon, and they are super adorable and very practical to store as well. I always keep tissue paper in my packing table drawer ready to go when I need it. And I think this pale pink will just look wonderful and matching to the boxes. So let's try. And first of all, I want to make sure that the products actually fit in the box. Let me take out these little perforations here that are ready so you can put your ribbon through it. And the ribbons also come with the boxes, so it's really practical. So let's see how I can place these. I think like this it will be great. Adding a tissue paper to any type of box, in my opinion, or even if you want to send a parcel, is such a cost-effective and great trick to make the entire box or gift box look much more elevated. Let's see how I can add this. I think I'm gonna fold it first a little bit so it won't be too crazy, and then let's add the products. By the way, if you are interested to get a similar version of these gift boxes, I left also a link Down in the description box, of course, these exact types here are not available everywhere, but there are so many nice variations on Amazon, and they have like the same version of it, but just a different pattern or a different design. But it's the same principle, like they have this slit and then you can hook it like this, and then with this little ribbon here it just looks beautiful. There are also different colors of ribbon, so I'm gonna do the bow just now and wait what she will say, if she's happy with this choice of tissue paper and ribbon, and she was very happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and do all of these gift boxes that she ordered, and I'm gonna show you specifically 3 versions, different colors. By the way, I made a Happy Mother's Day version of these labels here, and the members of my Buy Me a Coffee page have free access and can download it and add it to their own Mother's Day creations. We add a ribbon, very easy to handle. And we have our first gift box here. This is another color, the same gift box, but it comes with different variations. We add the tissue paper, just like we did before, and then the products. And then a bow. Voila, very cute as well. And then the third variation is a green one, also very cute and also fitting to the entire theme. And then we add our products as well. If you found some inspiration in this video, or you simply liked to watch, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are interested in more soap making videos or skincare DIY. And also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you very soon for another video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!